Hello everyone, I welcome you back to my channel where the news come first on Reality Latest Gist, the headlines. The All Progressive Congress said that the inability of Senator Mohammed Ndume to access President Bola Ahmed Tinubu cannot warrant or justify him to start saying that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has been caged. Moving on after this, we have S씬Àòng Sani said it's only God that can resolve Wike and Fubara political quarrel in Rivers State. But guys, before I go bring the matter, I go like welcome now to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest Gist. As they giving a back-to-back update and information as they hot. So if today is your first time to join our wonderful channel, I beg make you like, subscribe, and share. But don't forget to turn notification bell to get notified so that anytime our news drop, now you could be the first to watch. My people know be small matter they happen for this country, but make una relax. I got to bring the matter one after the other as they come our way. So all our amazing subscribers are welcome, and especially thank you all so much for joining us on today's news. So my people, may we dive into the main story. The All Progressive Congress said that the inability for Senator Mohammed Ndume to access President Bola Ahmed Tinubu cannot warrant or justify his outlandish declaration that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has been caged. Mr. Felix Moka, the party national publicity secretary, said this in a statement on Saturday in Abuja. The statement was the party's reaction to comments credited to Ndume, the chief whip of the Senate, saying that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has been caged. Chief Ndume Wike saying that securing financial autonomy for local government was the greatest achievement of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu since he assumed office in 2023. He also said that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was unaware of the existential challenges in the country. So the latest outburst in the media by the Senate representing Borno South and Chief Whip of the 10th Senate, Senator Mohammed Ali Ndume, claiming that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has been caged and unaware of existential challenges in the country is as arrogant and it is unnecessary. So the APC are saying that as a senator, Ndume has platform of the National Assembly to raise and address matter that he may consider to be in the national interest. So he also has access to the entire machinery of the federal government. The APC spokesman added that Ndume was, however, yet to explain the use to which he had put this enormous access in seeking solution to concern that he might have. Felix Moka, the APC National Publicity Secretary, said that it was understandable if the senator felt frustrated by his suggested inability to access the president. But this does not warrant or justify his outlandish declaration that the president had been caged in some way or absconded from the reality of condition in the country. APC they try to tell us the comment where Ndume come make on national TV say they no fit see President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, like look as if President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is being caged. He said that comment is unnecessary because they have a platform whereby he can relate the issue of this country in that platform. Coming on national TV to say that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is being caged, that is worthless. So basically they try to Ali Ndume say the president is busy doing the job Nigeria elected him for, that he is the head of government, of which there are many critical parts equipped with power to process and deal with a wide range of simple to complex social, economic, political or security challenges. So President Bola Ahmed Tinubu time is required to be used judiciously in attending to important matters of the state. That is what the APC spokesperson is saying. He said if you can recall on July 4th when President Bola Ahmed Tinubu inaugurated the Presidential Economic Coordination Council and launched the Economic Stabilization Program. According to him, he said that that program had to ensure food security, improve power supply, enhance social welfare, healthcare, increase energy production, and general economic transformation. So President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was earlier in an important meeting with leaders of organized labor on the issue of the new minimum wage. Moka further explained that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu meets and interacts regularly with citizens, officials, and guests from all walks of life as his schedule permits, that he had continued to supervise the formulation and implementation of policy and program measures aimed at mitigating prevailing economic conditions. So they say, "Me Moka no feel say President Bola Ahmed Tinubu no dey do anything," that he has been working to boost the availability and price of foods and other essential commodities. In a similar vein, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu recently signed an executive order aimed at reducing the high cost of drugs, approved tax waivers for the importation of some food items. So in a bid to crash prices and ensuring food sufficiency, and directed the armed forces to combat and defeat resurgence of acts of terror, among many other important engagements. The APC spokesman stressed that this speaks eloquently to his command of the situation in the country. So he advised the senator of Borno State, a senior party man, Ali Ndume, that he should exercise restraint and quit talks for unhelpful attention-seeking media posturing, because their country need all hands to be on deck on the issue concerning this country. So by joining hands in doing this, it's going to alleviate poverty in this country and it's going to stabilize security conditions in the best interest of the people of Nigeria. Hey, my people be small matter. So my people, I go like the way to that think about this issue in the comment section. I go like hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. My people, not quite long, the Niger group described President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's silence over the ongoing political struggle in Rivers State as disturbing and unacceptable. The civil rights activities and former senator for Kaduna Central Senatorial District don't got comments under their statement, saying that it's only God could resolve the political battle between Rivers State Governor Fubara and his predecessor, Wike, his political godfather. And a comment came as Niger Delta Group, 21st Century Youth of Niger Delta, an agitator with conscience, described President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's silence over the lingering political crisis in Rivers State as disturbing, worrisome, and unacceptable. So he went to his X handle, where he commented that Rivers State has been left in the hands of God to resolve the problem, that the disagreement between the governor, Fubara, and Wike, the Minister of Federal Capital Territory, peaked recently with the supremacy battle in the House of Assembly between fractions loyal to both men. So the pro-Wike lawmakers had on Monday directed Fubara to reintroduce the 2024 appropriation bill to them within 7 days. But that was widely seen as a prelude to the commencement of an impeachment process against the governor. But some political elites have already predicted that the governor would not obey the directive. The Fubara-Wike fight had led to emergency of two speakers of the state legislature, Martin Samawule and Victor Okojumbo, both being pro-Wike and pro-Fubara respectively. So now suddenly they try to tell us, say, no be say President Bola Ahmed Tinubu keep quiet, but his early intervention did not yield the expected result, as supporters of the two men continue to engage in tantrums. But my people, Niger Delta no see him that way, because if President Bola Ahmed Tinubu continue to call Wike to order, I think Wike will listen, because he was the one that appointed Wike as the Minister of Federal Capital Territory. But he has refused to do so. It's just the first time he did that. But though he didn't yield results, but he didn't press forward. That is why the Niger Delta Group are still condemning President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's silence over the Rivers State crisis, because they allege that the president had refused to call Wike to order. That's why they are out again to warn Wike and also tell President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to call Wike to order. If not, they are going to intervene, and when they intervene, it's going to cause more harm in Rivers State. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions are in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you all so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next. Stay safe, guys. Bye.